Seeger.
Hey everybody, and welcome to another Ernie's Journeys. Today we are going to take a little tour of Route 302 in Naples, Maine. More specifically, a little stretch of about less than 800 feet. It's the Causeway that runs right through the heart of Naples. It's beautiful here. This is a long lake. One of the big attractions here is the SONGO River Queen 2. Not the SONGO River Queen 1. So the SONGO River Queen 2 is a diesel-powered stern paddle wheeler. It was christened in 1982 after its predecessor burned in a midnight fire on Columbus Day weekend. That one made daily excursions on the Songo River since 1970. Now, you can't do that anymore on the Songo River Queen 2 because in 2011, the old swing bridge was actually replaced with a traditional bridge. You used to be able to take the Songo River Queen 2 down into Brady Pond and then through the winding Songo River, which featured hand operated locks. My wife actually remembers going on the Songo River Queen and seeing the hand operated locks on the Songo River. You can't do that anymore, but you can still go on Long Lake. There are so many things to see in this tiny little stretch. There's the Naples Town Dock, which was one of my favorite spots. You can see here that it's a great place to sit on this bench and great views of the water. And I want to talk a little bit about some of the businesses that are on this little stretch right now. Many of them, in fact, almost all of them are open right now despite everything going on with COVID 19. And by the time this video posts, we'll probably see even more openings take place. Okay, so what can you do here? Well, there's Seaplane Adventures, which flies over some of the lakes in the area and has great views of the White Mountains. There are various places where you can rent water equipment, such as Sun Sports Plus, which specializes in water skis, wakeboards, kneeboards, towables, stand-up paddle boards, trampolines, water carpets, and anything you can tow behind a boat. There's also DINGLEY'S WHARF, which offers rental deliveries to Sebago Lake and other surrounding waterways in Maine. DINGLEY'S WHARF offers rentals on pontoon boats, jet skis, kayaks, aquatrikes, stand-up paddle boards. They also offer wakeboard and water ski lessons. They have an all-inclusive package new for 2020, which includes your boat, driver, instructor, all equipment, and fuel. There's also TP's Rad Jet Ski Rentals, which offers a wake and go jet ski special. They rent jet skis, party boats, and more things. So, what about food? Well, I haven't been to many of these places, but I am making a list of all the places that I want to go once everything opens up. There's Rick's Cafe, which has lobster options, some really interesting lobster options from what I can see on their online menu. There's, but mostly it's standard American fare. There's also great outdoor seating with views of Long Lake and indoor seating as well, which I've heard has great views, also lots of windows so that you can continue to watch the world pass by. There's a full bar. There's Freedom Cafe, which is a restaurant and pub in a beautiful 200-year-old post and beam building on the shores of Long Lake. There's Murray's Kitchen, which offers upscale eating with pickup or delivery option, things like prime rib and chicken cordon bleu. This little gem was their first day open, and I'm so glad that I stopped in. This is Naples Pizza. They have some really great New York style pizza, and I got a slice of cheese for Ninja and a slice of pepperoni for myself, and they did not disappoint. Really, really great pizza if you want just a takeout location where you can pick up and eat and continue to either watch fireworks during the 4th of July or just walk along the causeway enjoying a slice of pizza. Great, great pizza. There's also the Causeway Dairy Bar, which has some. The ice cream flavors are incredibly rich. Ninja got the coffee Kahlua, and wow, it is really good. She was gracious enough to give me just a little taste, and it was amazing. The best coffee flavor ice cream I've ever had. I've also heard that they make a good lobster roll too, so definitely check them out. So there's also Captain Jack at the Naples Marina, which you can see here from the Causeway. And they have lots of local music and a great place to catch Patriots games. You're a stone's throw away from Sebago Lake State Park here, only about 4 miles away, right at the main intersection by Rick's Cafe. Okay, so that wraps up this really quick video on this tiny small stretch of Naples, Maine, the Naples Causeway. If you like this video, please give it a like and a thumbs up. That really helps our channel out. Please click on the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. It lets us know that you like what's going on with the channel and that you want to see more. If you have suggestions for places in Naples that you think that we should visit once everything opens up, whether it's one of these places here or something that we didn't mention in the video, please let us know. We will definitely put it on our list of places to go and see. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.